Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about diffusion, one-dimensional or two-dimensional, because you've heard those terms many times, I'm sure. Quadratic diffusion, it's the only real true source of diffusion. Everything else in the marketplace is pretty much sound redirection, not true diffusion. In order for a room to have a truly diffused sound field, it has to have 5 really good, strong criteria. One of them is equal reverb times throughout the whole room. That's why I tell a lot of you that are considering diffusion in your rooms, you got to do other things first before you can use diffusion, because diffusion will make your room sound worse if you haven't done your homework, so to speak. Okay? It's a series of wells or trough. We've all seen them, right? They all look like this, different depths. Okay, sound enters here, goes through each depth. The depth is based on quarter wavelength rule, and the width of the well is half wavelength. Our diffusers stop at about 3,500 and can start as low as 250 to 275. Okay, it's like a speaker. It has a frequency response, so you have to be careful where you put it, what you're doing, and why you're doing it. One-dimensional is vertical, just like this, and then you take that and you turn it horizontal. Okay, so you have a vertical diffuser and a horizontal diffuser, and that's the definition of 2 dimensions when you have both vertical and horizontal together. Now, what's the difference sonically? We use a lot of diffusion in our 2-channel listening rooms. Now, what that does to the sound stage is it really opens it up and spreads it out, offers more resolution and separation between the instruments, more space, more air. Actually has a sonic impact. The one-dimensional. 2D, on the other hand, doesn't. It just makes the wall it's attached to disappear. Doesn't add anything, add any coloration to it. So there's different applications for different things, but 2-dimensional is really popular on rear walls in your mix rooms where your distances are small, and you don't want that reflection off that rear wall. You definitely don't want it back at the console. So 2-dimension works good there because you don't really have the dimensions, so to speak, or the distance for one-dimensional, nor do you want the coloration that it gives you. So you just want that reflection to disappear, and that's what 2D does in the rear wall of a mix room. So diffusion's a great, great tool, but you got to have a lot of other things in the room done first, correctly. You got to have your absorption rates and levels correct, your reverberation times, your attack and decay rates. So a whole series of things that you have to have in order to use this tool of diffusion correctly and create a truly diffused sound field within your room. Diffusion, 1 dimension or 2. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.